There was a time I wasn't sure I'd ever stand at the lathe again. Chemotherapy had drained my strength, stole my energy, and made the world feel small. The shop sat quiet, tools untouched. Dust had settled everywhere. There were days the idea of turning something from nothing felt like a distant memory. But here's what I learned. Survival isn't just about fighting. It's about holding on. So I held on. I held on to the smell of sawdust and held on to the belief that I'd return. And one day, I did. Hey everyone, welcome. The first time I turned that lathe back on, it was like hearing my heart beat again. A small hum that said, "You made it."
At your door, come on, let's tell it, time to go. If there's one thing that I know, we're gonna make it, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step they're coming to. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do. Thunder gonna roll on, but the night is where we go. Everything will come in. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step they're coming to. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do. We're gonna make it through. One step they're coming to. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. One step they're coming to. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do.
If you're still watching, thank you. Before cancer, I had rough turned this bowl and put it on the shelf, planning to finish it in a few weeks. Then came the diagnosis. Those weeks turned into months of chemo, scans, and long nights. That rough bowl, it gathered dust right alongside my tools. But you know what? It became a promise, waiting patiently for me to come back. They say rivers carve canyons not by power, but by persistence. Every treatment, every small victory was another drop of water. I couldn't rush healing any more than I could rush that bowl's drying time. When the doctors finally cleared me to turn again, over a year later, I walked into the shop, picked up that bowl, and mounted it on the lathe. The wood was ready, and so was I. If you're fighting cancer or any battle that feels endless, remember, projects, dreams, even rough turn bowls can wait. You are what matters. Let time do its work. Let patience be your chisel. And when you're ready, pick up where you left off, whether that's a bowl, a song, or simply the next sunrise. If this video lifted you up, please share it. And tell me your story in the comments. I'm here to listen. This is Chip, holding the bowl that waited a year and reminding you to keep your spirits high, keep the shavings flying, and above all, keep turning. Talk to you guys next time.